beautiful view, isn't it? How you doing, guys? This is the Melasti Beach, and I think, in my personal opinion, is the best beach, the most beautiful beach in full Bali. Of course, public beach, and behind me is over the sun, but over there is also the very beautiful beach, but it's the private one. Unfortunately, the place over there is closed due to the current situation, and probably not gonna be open in this year. That's so sad, because I used to be there many times. I will try to show you, because it's low tide. Maybe if you still used to watch us long time ago, we used to be on this beach when they opened finally, officially, in the first day. It was so busy. Now it's definitely much more quiet. I see some cars from Jakarta with B registration. If you don't know, that's the registration from Jakarta. The guy over there is running. It's so hot, by the way. Yeah, so that's how it is.
I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy. I'm tired of waiting, waiting, waiting.
Over there is the Banyan Tree Resort, very nice luxury 5-star resort, of course. I've never been there, but they have a beautiful views from the villas. Maybe we're gonna go with Winnie one day for the afternoon tea or something. Why not? Oh, so sunny, I forgot my sunglasses. So bad. One thing about the beach is there, the minus, is no signal at all, no internet and no signal, like mobile signal at all. Winnie just tried to contact me, she called me many times, so I go up. And by the way, nothing special, but I'm in the place where it's like a lot of land with the old road, but by asphalt road, obviously. And it's prepared like for, I don't know for what actually, for hotel or for the estate, maybe for the complex of the villas or something. Many places around like this in Uluwatu, especially the road was made, it's already quite old, like maybe when was the bombing time in 2002, so the crisis like now, because it's quite old. Obviously, here's the number. If you want, you can call. Maybe you're gonna buy and build something. If you do, don't forget to invite me, because you know that from me. Okay, no more kiddings, I go to the beach. I'm going into this direction. Behind these rocks is the Karma Kandara Beach Club, where we was there. Maybe you remember, if not, link over here. And after that is the private beach, belongs to the Sundays Beach Club. Unfortunately, it's closed, but it's the really beautiful beach. What this guy is doing? Right, guys, so this beach belongs to Karma Kandara. Normally you cannot come here coming from Melasti Beach if it's high tide, but if it's low tide like now, it's very easy. But Karma Kandara remains more busy than we was with Winnie last time, but that was a few weeks ago. Check this out, guys. so some people are playing on the beach and everything. That's only my personal thoughts for today. Oh, it's so bright. Hold on. Alright. So my thoughts is as the problem in Asia beaches, in beaches in Bali, in many countries around, is that as many people from outside Bali, especially Indonesia, they are in the Muslim religion. So that's mean basically as they are very shy people. The girls are very shy. So if you go to the beach in, let's say in Europe, in Spain, Italy, Greece, you will see the girls, the women wearing bikinis and stuff like this. It's normal thing. But in Bali, the girls sorry guys, that's not the what do you think. But in Bali, guys, the girls, the women, they wearing like long dresses, sometimes the special costume to swimming, like you diving, or some other stuff like a short pants or something. This is not, as I'm saying, is wrong, but this is completely different culture what we have in Europe or in Australia or in America, obviously, and that's how it looks like. By the way, now I'm gonna show you my personal favorite beach. However, it's private beach. We have with Winnie 1 year VIP access here. We bought this few months ago. Unfortunately it's closed, and this is the beach. It's quite empty now because it's nobody here, obviously, but it's so beautiful. Very white, very nice sand, very clean. Even nobody cleaning it because it's closed, obviously, but it's super clean. Check this out. I will show you more. So this is the club where we used to have a lunch or drinks, and of course everywhere over here supposed to be like a bean bags, the beds and stuff, and you can chill out. And check this out, the beach is super nice. It's sunset time now, she's there, but on the next half year the sun will come over there where is the rocks. It's really beautiful. Maybe if I have somewhere on my phone I will show you guys. And you can do the water sports over here and stuff. Check this out, the sand. It's so nice. Basically before this everything starts, you know what I mean, guys, around about I used to be in this beach club on this beach, playing around at least once a week, sometimes twice, depends how Winnie was busy. It's, for me, it's a little bit sentimental, this place. I really love it. However, I never saw and I never expect it will be so quiet like now. It's closed. Normally the place have a capacity for 300 people during the high season right now, and they're gonna be closed probably till end of the year. Somebody told me, I read somewhere a few weeks ago, to compare to Karma Kandara is definitely much more nicer, and they have a nice beach. Unfortunately is closed. By the way, over there on the top is the 5-bedroom villas over there with the pool and the beautiful view, and it's very low tide. Check this out, actually super low. I wanna check what is there. It's like a small caves. So cool piece of beach with the cliff check this out. The water is always like boom over here when it's the high tide, so it's super natural, super nice, and of course super quiet. Nobody here. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Know why, but it's super sad to watch Bali like this, and your favorite places, beautiful places, you have to agree with me, the beach and everything here is very beautiful, but it's totally closed. This looks like abandoned. So sad. Behind me is very interesting construction. That's kind of like a bar, something between beach club and rock cliff bar, something like this. So this over here is the infinity pool overlooking into the Indian Ocean, and this place used to be started building around 2 years ago, and when I was coming to the beach club over here, there was the construction over here. So I followed the process from the almost the beginning till now, and seems like should be open right now because it looks like ready. Unfortunately, that's not gonna happen in the near future, I guess. So sad. More on the last interesting fact, Karma Kandara behind me. It's few people, around 30 persons, and all of them, literally 100% of them, they are local Indonesian people, mostly from domestic tourists, so actually alright, but this also means as nobody is there white like me, so that's mean as not many white people left in Bali right now. That's how it is. Alright guys, and that will be enough for today's vlog. Short today. I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate if you share to your friends, family, or someone who like Bali, love Bali, been in Bali, wanna go to Bali. Just that will be the little help for us. And like always, new vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8. See you tomorrow guys, something new tomorrow, like always. See ya.
I'm trying